Hi, my name is Racheal. I'm 14 years old and I'm from Naval Base Secondary School, and this is my mom.
Hi, my name is Ranjini. My profession is teaching. I love to teach kids and nurture them. My child has been receiving these Back to School Festival vouchers for past 6 years. It's been very helpful for her to get her stationeries, school books and other things as well. So I feel very glad because it's really helpful for her.
The vouchers have helped me to buy my school shoe, my assessment books and my stationeries for what I need for school. I'm in SINDA Women's Football Club because I love to play soccer and I can meet new friends over there, and I love my coaches helping us to learn soccer. I would like to thank SINDA for helping us in our needs, and I would like to thank them for giving us the opportunity to go in many activities that we could, and me and my mom had so much of bonding due to these SINDA activities.
Thank you, SINDA.